Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to email directly to your Monday.com board. This is a super handy feature that lets you create new items just by sending an email, which is perfect when you're working from your inbox and want to quickly add tasks without switching between apps. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by opening your Monday.com board in the web version. Make sure you're viewing the specific board where you want to receive emailed items. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the three-dot menu. This menu gives you access to various board management options that aren't immediately visible in the main interface. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up the configuration panel for your board, where you can customize how your board functions and interacts with other tools. Within the Settings panel, you'll need to locate and click on Create Items via Email. This is the feature that generates a unique email address specifically for your board, allowing it to receive and convert emails into tasks. Once you click that option, a pop-up window will appear displaying your board's unique email address at the bottom. This address is what you'll use to send items directly to this board. Go ahead and copy this email address as you'll need it in just a moment. Each board has its own distinct email address, so if you work with multiple boards, make sure you're copying the right one. Now open your email client, whether that's Gmail, Outlook, or any other service you use. Compose a new email just like you normally would. In the top field, paste the board's email address that you just copied from Monday.com. This ensures your email will be routed directly to your board and converted into an item. Next, type your item name in the subject line. For example, if you want to create a task about reviewing a quarterly report, you might write Review Q1 Report. The subject line becomes the name of the item on your board, so keep it clear and descriptive. In the body of the email, you can add any additional details you want included with the item. For instance, you might write Attach Financials or add Budget Breakdown. You can also attach files if necessary. These will be included with the item when it's created on your board. Once everything looks good, go ahead and send the email. The system will process your message and convert it into a board item automatically. Now switch back to your Monday.com board and refresh the page. You should see your new item appear in a group called Emailed Items at the top of your board. This group is created automatically to organize any tasks that come in through email, making it easy to review and move them to the appropriate sections later. And that's it. You've successfully set up email to board functionality and created your first item by email. This feature can really streamline your workflow, especially when you need to quickly capture tasks while managing your inbox. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.